In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your own likes on Instagram. So if you're not quite sure on what you have liked in the past, then I'm going to show you now how to check that out. Load up Instagram and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right. Then tap on the hamburger menu in the top right and then tap on settings. Now that you're in settings, what you want to do is go into your account option and you will then scroll down a little to see posts that you've liked. Go ahead and have a look, and if there's something on there that you didn't mean to like, you obviously can go in by tapping on the picture and then unchecking the heart option, and that's basically how easy it is to check your likes on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace.